Hello, students. So today we'll be looking at the next topic in our unit 3, that is how to talk about preferences and how do we compare with adjectives. Okay, that is called comparisons with adjectives. And usually we use degree of comparison for this. So you all might remember we all have studied this grammar topic in our school usually, where we the word or make the adjective into comparative degree and superlative degree when we say taller and tallest, right? So now we will be looking at them one by one. So the first one that we have is positive degree. Positive degree is when we talk about only one thing or only one person. For example, I will say Seema is a tall girl. So here I'm only talking about Seema, right? I'm only talking about one person. So I can use the adjective as it is. Next, comparative degree. I'll be using it to talk about or compare two people or things. Okay, and usually we use word than after the adjective in this degree. Okay, for example, I will say Seema is taller than Mohan. Okay, that is how I'll be making my sentence. I will use the second degree of the adjective, and after that word, I will use the word than. Okay. And then the third one that we have is superlative degree. It is always used to talk about more than two people. Okay. And we always use the word the before the adjective. I will say Seema is the tallest girl in the group or tallest person in the group. Okay. So I will use the word the article the when I'm talking about superlative degree. That is something that you have to remember. So this is the second topic in our book that we have in unit 3, but we'll be looking at this topic again in unit 14. So you should know this topic by then. Okay. Now, this is very, very important, but in this particular grammar topic, we only look at, just give me one moment. Yeah, we only look at comparisons with adjectives. That is our second one. Okay. So, which sweater do you prefer? So, here I'm talking about a preference. So, I will say, I prefer the blue one. I will just use the word prefer and I will say, I prefer the blue one. Okay. Which one do you like more? I like the blue one more. Which one do you like better? So, better is again the second degree of the adjective. I like the blue one better. So it is nicer than the green one. It's prettier than the green one, or it is more stylish than the green one. So whenever we cannot make the word into comparative or superlative, like stylish, we will use the word more and most. Okay. And these are some of the spelling rules that you should remember. In a normal word, we will just add ER. If the word already has E, then we will just add R. If the word is ending with Y, then we will remove Y. We will add I and then we will add ER. Okay. And some consonants, when the words end with consonants, that is our letters other than, vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, all the letters except them are called consonants. So we will double the consonants and then we will add ER. Only some of them. Okay. So you should know these spelling rules. Okay. If you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments box, or you can also DM me on my Insta name Trainer Susmita. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.